Hello and a very warm welcome to this Bitwig tutorial. In this episode I talk about sound fonts or sound font, the SF2 format. But yeah, let's get started. So there is a sample format that is called SF2, like Soundfont, and this is a very old format developed in 1990 or something, and is under the hood of Creative Labs, but is still a free format and everybody can develop something for SF2. At the end, SF2 or sound font is the SF2 is important because there are other sound fonts as well. Is a multisample instrument with some more information about pitch, about which sample is played on which velocity, about the envelope, and so on. And I have some multisample instruments over here, and for example I take this Steinway and put it in the sampler because the Bitwig Sampler can read SF2 fonts. And now I have a nice little Steinway piano. Or I use something else, the essential keys, for example. So you can just drag and drop it over here. I have my pedal connected. Yeah. So, and maybe, I don't know, maybe this is the same. Looks the same, maybe it's the same, I don't know. Sounds the same. Still loading, I think so. Because the sound fonts can be really big. There's something broken over here on this area. And a nice broken loop. That's really great for lo-fi music, or maybe Chateau Grand Plus instrument, or still the old Rhodes. Did I put it on? Still the same? Another piano. For example, like that. So you see, you can load SF2 Soundfonts into the Bitwig Sampler, and you can play then this multisample instrument. And I saw this once a while ago on a video from Jürgen Moosgraber, who is the creator of the Driven by Moss scripts for Bitwig and Reaper. If you don't know him, you should know him, because if you have Bitwig or Reaper, you should look at his scripts that are integrating a lot of different MIDI controllers like the Ableton Push 2, 1, and some other Novation keyboards, and a lot of stuff, even some mixers and so on. And there is like a generic script for a lot of other MIDI devices you can integrate for yourself. And he did a presentation, and I linked this presentation in the video description below. So visit him, visit his site, and show him some love. And I hope I see you soon again. Stay healthy. See you. Ciao, ciao.